I like to think I'm a nice person, but sometimes I remember childhood memories and then I'm like, well, maybe I'm not so sure. Back in elementary school, at a school recess, I had convinced all of my friends that the worms needed our help and that they were dying. But the field wasn't safe because kids were playing football, so of course we had to put them in my best friend's pockets. My pockets. Couldn't have them because I was carrying the rocks that we would use as the beds for the worms once we found their new home. But my friend was a faithful friend and she piled her pockets full. And then the bell rang for lunch, so we went about our day and went home. She washed her jacket. We didn't find the worms until like a week later. Anyways, I don't think I'm a good person.